Got another Lionel train car from eBay. This was a good deal. So I tried to get another one of these. Get it out of here. This is the Dodge Viper on a flatbed. It's a number, brand new in the box. This was $29.99 and free shipping, or best offer. So I offered $24, and the guy accepted it, or the woman accepted it. So if you figure $10 shipping is a flat rate, I got this for $14, this car. It's brand new in the box. This car right here in the catalog, list for $79.95. I was getting 15% off at that time, so I would have got this car for $67.95. So for $14, it was a good deal. You got to pay gas to get there, so it's a couple of gallons of gas for me to get there. So you're talking $8 or $9 on gas. Gas is $4 and change a gallon here. So not too bad. Picked this up brand new in the box. Beautiful box. So if I see a deal, I'm going to get it. I do have one on my track right now, and we got some plans in the future for these, but not too bad of a deal. Regularly $79.95 list price, and I got it for $14. I'll get it all day long. So that's what we got on eBay. Another Lionel car.